Hello, my name is David, and today we are here in the R&D facility here at Airaid Filter Company. And today we're going to take a look at our brand new MXP series cold air intake system for the 1999 through 2007 GM trucks and SUV. Let's take a look and see what comes with our new MXP series cold air intake system. We have a one-piece fully rotomolded complete air box, our modular intake tube, urethane hump hose and coupler. We have our 6-inch velocity stack, our blade style weather strip, our 1700 CFM washable and reusable lifetime guaranteed air filter, and detailed step-by-step installation instructions and everything needed for a complete installation. Our first step is going to be removing the OEM beauty cover. And it just pulls right off like that. Our next step is going to be removing the factory intake tube. We want to loosen the hose clamp at the throttle body and right at the mass airflow sensor, and then you simply lift off and remove. Our next step will be unclipping the factory mass airflow sensor and removing the stock air box. And this will just pull right up and come right out. Our next step is going to be removing the factory mounting plate underneath the stock air box. And here's the factory mounting plate. Our next step will be installing our MXP series cold air box. I already went ahead and installed the velocity stack and our mounting bracket. Let's put the box in the truck. And simply tighten down with the hardware provided. Our next step will be reinstalling the factory mass airflow sensor. We're going to simply slide it into the hose clamp provided and tighten down. Our next step is going to be installing the modular intake tube. I've already went ahead and installed our hump hose and our coupler for the throttle body. Our next step will be installing our Airaid premium filter. And simply tighten down. Our next step in the project is going to be installing our weather strip. Our final step of the project today is going to be double checking all of our connections, our hose clamps, couplers, making sure everything's nice and snug, and then reinstalling our factory beauty cover. That simply tightens down, and the project is complete. Now let's see how this baby sounds. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure and follow us on the web at airaid.com and follow us on Facebook and become a fan.